Cellar hole is probably a quarter of a mile away. A couple of makeshift benches here, fire pit. Quite a view of the town. Long way down. Alright, time to find that site. So the cellar hole's right over there. And I haven't been finding much. There's a couple buttons here, iron buckles. We finally got something. It's really hard to see, but clean it off here. There we go, Massachusetts militia button. That's like 1820s, I think, right around there. This is a cool find. Got a little toy cannon here. And the site of it is like late 1700s, early 1800s, so it kind of dates it roughly. But yeah, I'm guessing it's just a child's toy cannon. It's missing the legs, but I don't know, maybe they rotted away. Maybe they're still in the hole. I doubt it though. But yeah, ringing up loud too. Alright, we're digging in the back of the cellar hole. We just got a big shoe buckle. I think there's a design on it. I'll have to clean it up later. Looks to be late 1700s. So I'm along the roadside here. I just moved a bunch of brush, trying to clear the front yard out of the cellar hole. You know, just going through this area, and we got ourselves a coin. And that's a Fugio cent. I can just barely make out the rings. Yep, there it is. How's the back looking? Or is that the front? I can't remember. Yeah, it's still pretty worn. Good coin though. So here we are. There's the cellar hole. And we're right on the lip. I just pulled out a Nova Constellatio. I've wanted this coin for a long time. Not sure what year just yet. The reverse is pretty rough, but hopefully we can clean it up. Awesome.